Can you spot the difference between fake and original link? Welcome to Shield Exploit. I'm Michael Ilechukwu, a cybersecurity professional. Today, I'll be teaching you how to identify fake links from original links. So what are these fake links? Fake links could be spam page, okay? Could be a page built or cloned by hackers, okay, hosted somewhere, and then they tend to emulate like the link they're supposed to send to you. They will try as much as possible to make this link look like whoever or whatever organization they are trying to impersonate. Okay, so now how do you get to spot these fake links? Now you need to pay keen attention to the URL, the link itself. So now, looking at these links, you need to look out for grammatical errors, okay? Because sometimes they tend to change something, probably a thing or two, make it look very similar to whatever organization they are trying to impersonate to get your logs, your username and your password. Okay, and most of these links are shared through email. So how do you get to identify them? You need to verify, like cross-check the email, the sender's email from the sender. Okay. And then secondly, most of these email comes with urgency. These links usually have a domain, okay, before whatever page is directing you to. So first of all, that domain is where your keen interest should be on. Okay, so that domain now, you need to cross-check that domain with the original domain, especially when these messages is coming from untrusted places. Although sometimes it can come from people we trust as well, but you really need to pay keen attention to the domain. So let me use, for instance, google.com. They can change the double O for double zero, which automatically redirects it. But Google already has done a great job to mitigating stuff like that on their DNS server. So you need to be very careful about that link. Now, another thing and very important something you need to look out for is the HTTPS. The HTTP, that's a hypertext. You need to pay keen attention to that. Without the S, it simply means it's not secured. Okay, it simply means it's not secured. So whatever goes through that network is open. Is open. Anybody having tools like Wireshark can get anything over the network in plain text. Okay, so it has the S should be there, like there should be, it should be HTTPS and not HTTP, although advanced hackers can still make their link get the S. Okay, so that's where you now need to look at the other domain name. Now this link could be a cloned page hosted on a particular server, and what it targets is it targets your username and password. So when they send you this link, when you enter your username and your password, you hit enter. It sometimes it tells it fails, and sometimes it would redirect you, and then they already have your username and your password. That's for the cloned page. Why there's another link generated through Metasploitable? That one is even more harmful because that particular link now, by the time you click on it, it gets your Metapreter. It gets, like, it will prompt you to downloading something, okay, and then unknowingly, if you get to click on these stuffs and you download anything, but clicking on it alone gets your IP address, gets your geolocation, gets your MAC address, and some other vital information about you. So by the time you download these things, they already have a direct access to whatever device you're using. And then what can they do with this? They can do a whole lot, starting from downloading your messages, downloading your contacts, downloading whatever you have on that device. They can take screenshots, make videos of you without you knowing. They can even go as far as powering down your phone, your laptop, or even crashing them. So use URL scanner. There's a particular one, Checkfish. What that does is that you copy this URL link, you paste it on it, run it against it. It will show you if it's a legitimate link or not. Okay, so sometimes most of these links can come in a particular form, but by the time you click it, it start redirecting you to take you to where you don't even know about. So, but by then you put it on this platform and you run it against it, if it will redirect it to anywhere, it will show you where it's coming from and to show you where it will land you. Okay, so with this you can be able to do that, and then a bonus tip, you can as well use total virus for this. Total virus is even more complex. Total virus, you can use total virus to scan um, documents. You can use it to scan whatever thing that is being sent to you even before you can isolate them, scan them on total virus, like anything that is being sent to you, be it MP3, MP4, any document at all. You can scan it on total virus, and then you can as well scan the URL link on total virus. For more content like this, do well to subscribing to our channel, like and share to friends and families, and then stay safe online.